Good morning and welcome back to my channel. And if you don't know my face, yeah, please subscribe. So basically today I woke up and I'm like, oh, let me do what a university student in a day, because I'm preparing my breakfast and I'm like, let me show you what I'm gonna eat and what I'm gonna eat for the rest of the day. Where's my phone so I can show you what time it is? Cause oh yeah, oh wow, it's literally 12 o'clock. Yeah, and I'm now eating. I have to like be quick though because I've got a lecture, so I've gotta go. But I'm gonna show you what I eat for breakfast, what I eat for lunch, and what I eat for dinner. And I think today I'm eating healthy. Well, yeah, I try to eat healthy sometimes, and today's one of those days because I've got stuff that I need to finish before they go off. Anyway, I'm wearing this because I don't want the food to like go into my hair and like, you know, all that jazz. So yeah, let me prepare this food real quick and then I'll see y'all in a bit.
Sip on my coffee as I write another hit. At times I get cocky, so I keep a joint lit. That rhymes. T-shirt the same color as my skin. That's why.
And then just a bit of honey. For breakfast, I'm having egg, sausage. This is really nice. Bacon, courgette, and tomatoes. Bread and a cup of tea. This is the peppermint tea and honey. This is a big breakfast because I'm like, I wanna feel full. But yeah, it looks healthy, and yeah, I'm just ready to dig in. Obviously, that's gonna get battered because that hasn't got any butter in it. Yeah, I'm full. I ate everything. Guys, so I'm ready to go on campus because I have a lecture at 2. At 2. Yeah, it's 1:15, so I gotta go. I don't want to take my camera with me because it's too big to carry, and I just wanna 2 hours bam do then come home because I have things to do at home. Or I'll stay on campus just a little bit, but it won't be long. So yeah, I'll see y'all and show you what I have for lunch. I'm not gonna eat on campus because I'm full. So yeah. Yellow light, y'all. Sorry. I'm back at home, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna go make something to eat. This is probably my dinner. This is gonna be my dinner because yeah. I'm looking for my slippers. I don't know what I'm eating, y'all. I think I'm just gonna have the salad because it's gonna go off soon. I ate breakfast late, so it meant that lunch really didn't exist and I wasn't craving anything. I didn't have no fruit, nothing for lunch. So I'm gonna use this for the salad and I'm actually gonna make it in here. Yeah guys, I don't really want to be recording this, so I'll show you guys when the food is ready. And if you guys want me to do like a meal prep and like give you guys recipes of how you can do them, I'm not like a chef or anything, but I can help in a bit. And so this is my first time I've ever bought this thing, beetroot. I've had this before in like salad. Like you see when you buy them ready-made crunchy salads, like I've had them before. But this is my first time ever buying them. I can't wait to try it. I hope it's nice. Apparently it's really good. Maybe later on I may have something else, like something small, like a dessert. But I haven't decided. The time is though 7:30. 7:37. So Yes, we're gonna be eating soon. This is what I'm going to have. This is the potatoes and that's the salad. And of course probably some pineapple juice. That's the shot, final shot, and pineapple juice. Yay! Yeah. Bachane. No, you're for Bachane. Oh, thanks. For dessert, I'm just having this waffles with Nutella, and yeah, it's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay guys, I've showed you enough today. And yes, my camera is even dying. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want more, just let me know and I will happily do them in different ways, in different styles. Delicious. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.